from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and it's Walkthrough Wednesday, brought to you by the developers of Nocatee, the Park Group. And we are in the newest community in Nocatee, Heritage Trace at Crosswater. A lot of you may have been hearing about Crosswater, but more importantly, we're with one of our newest builders to join the Nocatee builder family. That's Riverside Homes. We are so excited to introduce you to Riverside Homes today, and you need to come out and meet the new home sales consultants, Dolly and Cindy, and they're going to take us through this beautiful home right now. So thanks for watching.
Let's go on in. Love the door.
It is beautiful. So this is our Franklin model. It is 2,750 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a loft, and then you have this great flex room. Lots of things you can do with a flex room. We have it modeled here with the dining room, but you could also do a full bedroom with an extra bathroom, as well as doing a study.
See, I love that, because y'all are known as a semi-custom home builder in the Jacksonville area. So this is one of your great features that y'all are showing us
That's
today.
absolutely right.
Beautiful. So Cindy, what's this space going to be?
So this area that we're in here is our sales office, which will be the future garage for this home. This particular floor plan has a 2-car garage with a tandem golf cart area, which is hiding behind the wall over here.
And it is huge.
Yeah.
It is worth opening. So this wall will go away.
Yes.
And this is a really
Excuse our
big
mess.
tandem.
But so yes, full-size golf cart garage with charger as well.
Wow. You're kidding me, with a charger.
Golf cart
Now
charger.
that's something we haven't yet seen in a model home. So I love that we're seeing that.
Yes.
Huge drop space. And Carly and I both love a drop space.
Love a drop space.
So I really like that y'all did that. And let's go to the laundry room, because I like that this laundry room right off this area, but also how you'll have it. It's actually a nice size laundry room. There's a lot you can do in there.
Yes.
It really is. You can actually add a sink in there as well if you wanted to have a sink in your laundry room.
Oh, that's great.
That's really nice.
So let's go to this wow great room.
Oh, but we can't forget the two, the
What?
Oh,
Carly, what?
the bathroom.
I love it, Carly. This is your powder room.
Yes.
Oh wait, there's a nice bathroom.
So this is the bathroom that would become a full bath if you chose to do the guest bedroom option in the front space, that flex space.
Oh, see, that's nice. Oh, thank
Love
you.
it.
Yeah, gotta show the coat closet. Storage.
right.
Okay, now let's go into the wow factor, Carlene. Come on now. Beautiful. So tell us about this space.
So we've got a great open floor plan, all of the entertaining space that you've got here, nice and wide open, a beautiful kitchen. We actually do Bosch appliances, are standard in all of our home, with a true full-size double oven.
Thank you for doing
Included
that.
in all of our Riverside homes.
If you're a cook, you need a double oven, and not everyone does that.
Right.
So, and you said that's standard?
That's standard.
That's a big thing. Okay, we're going in this pantry. Carling, I went in this earlier, and y'all, I was screaming because it keeps going.
Holy cow!
No, Carly, keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Keep going!
It is
Oh
a
my
true
gosh.
Harry Potter fabulous closet. I mean, this pantry, the storage that you can put in there, it is amazing. So we just had to show that. I love it. Now look at this beautiful island.
Yeah, this has been a favorite of a lot of the customers coming through, having this nice large island with a place to sit and having it very accessible to the living room.
Oh, let me show the
Yeah, show the
space.
seating.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And really, in this floor plan, there's so much seating area that this home can really be a great entertaining house. Or if you have lots of children, plenty of space for everybody.
Yeah.
Plenty of space.
Absolutely.
This is a huge wow factor. Can we look at these doors? Cindy's going to
Let's go
demonstrate.
back here.
Yes.
Let's check this out.
while she's doing that, if you notice, there's plenty of space around every piece of furniture, so you're not feeling crowded as you're walking through the space and living in it.
I'm glad you pointed that out, Dolly, because you're absolutely correct. Nothing in here is cramped at all. Okay, look at this, everyone.
Wow.
It's a collapsible door, but what really brings it up a notch is it's hidden behind this solid wall, so you can decorate on the inside, which they did with a beautiful piece, but then look at this space out here, and look how far it goes.
Wow.
Y'all run. Let's show it.
Oh, hold on, I'm coming.
Show how big this lot is. This lot is amazing. We're still going.
Yeah, this is not even the
Look at this. I mean, look, we're Dolly.
Wow.
So they made this space, you know, a beautiful fire pit. This reminds me of, you know, empty nesters. Perhaps you have the older kids, but let me say this. You could put a pool back here.
Yes.
I mean, there is so much you can do, but I just wanted to show everyone how big this space and your lots are. This is beautiful.
Yeah. Wow.
Absolutely beautiful.
Very nice sized backyards in all of our plans, which really just expands the outdoor entertaining space. You've got the cable and outlet up there so that you can mount a TV, gas stub so you could do a summer kitchen. So there's lots of possibilities out here.
And look at the attention to detail. This is something I noticed. Just the different, what did you call this, Cindy?
Trim.
Trim. How it
Layers of trim.
I love that though. So it's not just flat out here. It's just y'all have a lot of attention to detail.
And I just love, if you have a large group of people, between all of this interior space and all of this exterior space, you can have a lot of entertaining going on and a lot of people doing different things and really enjoying the lifestyle here.
Absolutely.
Wow.
And again, what floor plan are we in?
This is the Franklin.
The Franklin floor plan. I bet this is going to be a hot seller.
I think you're right.
Yeah, this is terrific. And the master, which we're about to go into, where the owner's suite is on the first floor, which a lot of people that come into the Welcome Center do request and ask for.
Yes.
So I like that y'all did this in this floor plan.
And since you can have that bedroom up at the front as well, you are able to have a bedroom for your guests possibly that is separate from the children's bedrooms.
Which is really nice. So tell us some features about Riverside Homes, because you are new to Nocatee, so what makes you unique? Why should people buy from Riverside?
So that's a great question. We do a lot of things. I think one of the things that sets us apart typically the most is that we are semi-custom, but semi-custom meaning that we can really make modifications to our plans to meet the needs of all the different styles of families today. So, you know, more than just can I add a window here or can I add a door there, we really can do some adjustments to get creative and make any floor plan work for families.
And I like that, and that's something, and I just wanted to bring that up and ask that question to Cindy, because Dolly at the beginning of the video was talking about that dining room, and she was trying to explain how you can turn into a bedroom and all the other things. So I just wanted Cindy to kind of say they really are a semi-custom home builder,
Right. Yeah.
which is terrific. Okay, look at these closets.
His and hers, dual closets,
And they're big.
nice size.
Really,
Absolutely.
really big. Here, I'll let y'all go in there. Very big. And I love the colors that y'all chose for your tile, you know, for your backsplash. Very neutral, beautiful. And look at that tub, Carla.
Wow.
Yeah. That is a big soaking tub.
Nice big shower. There's so many things that you could do here. I know some people are into large showers. This is one of those areas that, talking about customizations, that we could really do different things. I know a lot of people are not into the soaking tubs and wanting these large, big showers. That's something we could do as well if you wanted to redesign or reconfigure this space and do away with the tub. So those are some of the kind of things that we do.
Oh, see, and I love that. And you know what's really nice? As we're walking out, I want to remind people that we are in Crosswater. In Crosswater, we have 3 new neighborhoods opening up, which Riverside Homes is in 2 of them, and this one being Heritage Trace. But Crosswater, some great selling features to this beautiful community is it's really going to have that Americana look. There's white picket fences leading down Crosswater Parkway down to this space. There are sidewalks, the entire neighborhood, plus connecting all the neighborhoods. There is an electric vehicle golf cart path as you leave leave this community, connecting you up to the Splash Water Park and the food truck nights and all the fun things that happen over there. So I want to remind people that on Nocatee.com, you can see all the floor plans for Riverside Homes. So please check that out today. Okay, now we're upstairs, and I'm so excited about this space. No, turn
This
the
is
other
great.
way.
This is great.
No, this is
Okay, drum roll.
Jump, dun, dun, dun. Okay.
This is our
Wow.
attic storage. It's an unfinished storage space that you can actually put stuff in.
I love it. I mean, you really can.
Yeah.
But I love it because it's accessible, Cindy, because how many times in our own houses, you gotta go in the garage, you're gonna go in a traditional attic.
Try to
We're not
I'm
doing
just in here
that.
so you can see the scale of the room.
Oh,
Wow.
yes, look
To give you a rough point of reference.
Look.
Yeah.
Wow.
I mean, this is huge.
that is great.
Huge space. And what did you call this space, Cindy?
We have tagged it the Florida basement.
The Florida basement.
In reality,
I
it's
love that. No, I love it. And you know what? So many of our buyers, though, are coming from, say, the north and states that they have a lot of items.
Yes.
Now they can store them.
That's right.
Yeah, that's the one thing about this floor plan I'm noticing is lots of storage space, lots of natural light, lots of cabinetry.
Yeah.
Y'all have done a great job.
Thank you.
And you know, and I think another thing that is special about what we do when we build our homes is the smooth finish walls.
Yes.
So not having the texture on the walls, they're completely smooth, which allows you to do touch-up paint easier, to get just that really smooth, classy look.
Oh, I'm glad Dolly pointed that out. Okay, so Carling, did you get the walls? Just real quick.
Yep.
So real quick, smooth
can't really
walls. I know it's hard to see, but not everyone does smooth walls. So that's why Dolly's pointing it out. So Riverside Homes is doing smooth walls as standard. Standard. We want to point that out as standard. And I know that y'all are going to have such success in Nocatee. With the builders in Nocatee that we currently have, they really are a part of a family, a Nocatee family. So we're so excited that Riverside Homes is now a member of that, I think, a very exclusive group.
We are very excited
exclusive.
we are very excited to be a part of it.
Tell us about the grand opening.
Yes, so we are looking forward to the community coming out to a Crosswater grand opening event on Saturday, February the 10th.
Yep, this Saturday.
This
coming Saturday.
From 10 to 3?
Yep, 10 to 3.
There's going to be all kinds of activities for the kids, live music, food, fire trucks. We will be hosting apple pie from our Riverside model, the Franklin. So come see us and get your apple pie a la mode.
Oh, I love it. So again, Cindy and Dolly, the new home sales consultants for Riverside Homes. So please come out to Heritage Trace at Crosswater. Come see them. You technically can come today, but the official grand opening is Saturday. So we look forward to seeing you all again. Thank you for watching Walkthrough Wednesday, brought to you by the developers of Nocatee, the Park Group. Thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.
Bye.